Hey, how's it going? Michael Jones here with M&S Marketing Online. And today I'm going to be sharing with you what is a sales funnel and how to create one that actually makes money. Now, if you're interested in making money online and you're new to my channel, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button because on this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you my best tips and strategies on how you can make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, how to start and grow an online business, how you can get traffic, leads, and sales to your business. And my main goal on this channel is to educate, inspire, and motivate you to live a more prosperous life, having more time and financial freedom that you and your family deserves. Now, without further ado, let's get into what is a sales funnel. Now, a sales funnel is a website simply designed to make sales. It's simply designed to make sales. They provide the best possible chance to make money on the new customer, at least breaking even on the initial purchase after covering your advertising costs. So this here is a brief overview of a sales funnel, of your typical sales funnel. So we have four components. We have an awareness, we have our leads, we have our prospects, and we have the sales process of a sales funnel. So I'll get more into that. With the awareness, this is where the funneling of the business or your business starts. You have to get more exposure to your brand, your product, and or service through marketing efforts. This can be through a Facebook ad, this can be through a Craigslist ad, this can be through a commercial ad, however you choose, whether this be a blog, whether this be a YouTube video, whatever it may be, you need to get exposure to your business through any strategies of marketing. And once you've done that, you're moving on to the lead stage of a sales funnel. And that's the first page of a sales funnel is a lead capture page. This is where you offer the visitor a free gift in exchange for their contact. Now, this could be an email, this could be a name, this could be a phone. If you need all three of them, this can be all three. Whatever it is that you need as far as information to acquire your leads, this is where you will collect that information through your lead capture page, and you'll give them a free offer. Now, for a personal trainer, this can be a PDF or a list on how to lose 10 pounds within the next 15 days, 10 steps that you can do to lose 15 pounds in the next 15 days or so. Now, for an online marketer, this may be an ebook or a affiliate marketing course on how you can create an affiliate marketing business and earn six figures in a year or two, or how they have earned six figures in a year using affiliate marketing. They may give you an ebook or a marketing course going over that. For a dentist, this could be a free teeth cleaning. This can be, they may have a lead capture page, and they may say, hey, enter your name and email and receive a free teeth cleaning when you come into our office and schedule an appointment with us today. Now, for a boutique, this could be get 50 to 70% off your first $100 purchase. When you give us your name and email, you receive 50 to 70% off your first $100 purchase. All of these are essentially called lead magnets. They're drawn to capture a lead or a potential prospect. So now we move down to the prospect stage of the sales funnel. Now that you have your lead's contact information, you can now follow up via email or a text message or whatever form of way you want to follow up. Nowadays that we're living in, it's more email marketing. A lot of businesses are asking for your email so that they can send you or follow up with you via email. And upon the delivery of the gift, you want to take them to your sales page of your funnel. Your sales page shouldn't have any distractions whatsoever, nothing for them to be able to click on, nothing for them to get distracted on, because this just opens the door for your prospect and lead to become confused or distracted, and possibly they just leave without purchasing anything at all. So now we down to the sales part, and this is where you want to make them an offer they can't refuse. This is the point where you want to make them an irresistible offer. This offer is just specifically designed to make money on the new customer, or at least just break even on the initial purchase, after paying the cost of your advertising. Now with Sales Funnel, you now have a chance to profit multiple times from the same customer, whereas websites, they are designed to make all their money on their first initial sale. Remember, the key is to have the initial sale just break even. A lot of businesses get this wrong, and they try to hit a home run without going to first, second, third, and then home. Remember, the key to this is to have the initial sale just to break even on your advertising dollars. This way, you can continue to generate more and more customers for free, and on the back end, then that's when you can focus on maximizing your profits, going from first to second, second to third, and to third to home. Now, how do you create one that actually makes money? Let me explain. Let's just say, for example, the lead or prospect doesn't purchase after visiting the sales page, which 99% of them won't after the first time visiting your website. Maybe only like 1 or 2% would actually buy the first time. So what we do is we've already captured their email and their information. So a week or so later, we send out an email to our leads and prospects. And for example, our personal trainer, they might send an email and say, receive 3 free sessions when you sign up today for our 6-month package. Now, a digital marketer might send an email to its leads now. I hope that you loved that marketing course, and I hope it was of much value to you. If so, take a look at our Business Builder Challenge that can take your business to the next level. Now, a dentist might send an email that say, we have 50% off exams, x-rays, and teeth whitening this week only for all our new customers. A boutique may send out an email that says, hey, check out our new fall collection that just launched today and receive 35% off your purchase of $200 or more this week for being our loyal subscriber. Now, a percentage of those leads and prospects that take you up on your offer becomes pure profit, because their first initial purchase was just to cover your advertising costs. So anything after that, now that you've captured that information from them, now that you can follow up and continuously send them future offers and promotions, it becomes pure profit. This is what a sales funnel allows us to do. This is all possible due to having a sales funnel. Sales funnels are used by almost every successful company, whether you realize it or not. Let's just say McDonald's. Let's take McDonald's, for instance. McDonald's, you see a commercial ad on McDonald's, right? And it's for a quarter pounder. So they spend money to acquire you. That's the awareness part. And now you're the lead. You're interested in that quarter pounder. So you come in there, and once they get you in the door and they give you order your cheeseburger or your quarter pounder, then they ask you, do you want fries to go with that? Do you want a Diet Coke to go with that? Or do you want anything to drink to go with that? Then they ask you, do you want to upsize that? And then they may ask you, do you want 2 apple pies to go along with that? Is there anything else that you would like? So this is essentially their process of a sales funnel. They put out their marketing. They've acquired you. You was interested in that. You came to this store, and then they brought you on your quarter pounder, and they've added more things, more upsells, and that's how they make their money. That quarter pounder was just to cover their advertising costs. Let's take another example, such as Great America or Walt Disney World. You see a Walt Disney commercial, or you see a Great America commercial on your TV screen, and their tickets are $39, $49.99. Come in, And once you get inside of there, now that just covered the advertising costs. Now, anything that you get after that is pure profit. Any drinks that you may get, any games that you may play, any toys that you get for your kids. When you're on that roller coaster ride and they've captured your picture, and once you get off of there, it's a cool looking picture, and now you must purchase it. This is all the process of their sales funnel. Now, let me ask you a question. Now, how would you like to be on the other end of that? How would you like to start profiting from a sales funnel instead of just being sold by one? If so, do me a favor and click the first link in the description below and get access to the same training that allowed me to start and grow my online business, and how you can learn more about how you can start profiting from sales funnel. I want to say congratulations. I want to say thank you. Thanks for watching. God bless, and have a great day.